I've been scared, guys. Like, no one. There are nights that I'm having a hard time to breathe. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for your love. Merry Christmas! Namamasko po ako ng aga sa inyo, kami ni Chef Ares. This will be the first upload that I'm going to do this bare months, like starting in bare months. It's already Christmas in the Philippines. So this will be the very first upload that I'm uploading in my channel, and it is very special to me because thank you guys for your love and support. This is your Winzy Bonita, the funny girl. This is for all of you.
Pasko na bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging natin lang ang magkapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Nahanap ka lang pag-ibig ko. Pasok na naman, ngunit wala ka. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging mga ko lang ay makapiling ka.
version ko. I'm getting sweat, guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. This song is for all of you and those hands gestures that were given to you is like we're sending all the love in the world. Like, oh my God, I don't want to cry. So I will attach second song. It's actually the same song, but I did upload last year of my singing about this song, Sana Ngayong Pasko. But it was a cappella and I muted Chef Harris as a Fabia, like we're doing a duet, but I muted him because I don't want to be CPR. But nowadays, it's okay to be CPR, you know, as long as you enjoy the music. I feel so guilty because I muted him, like I put him in my video, like we're doing duet, but I was like muted him. Only he have have a beautiful voice, so I will include this again. He's singing this last year, but my singing is this year. But the one that I was doing duet with him, that was like last year, December. It's so bad, I muted him, right? So I will include this. Sana Ngayong Pasko. It seems like two songs, but it's the same song. It's okay, it's Christmas, everybody. Yeah, we're singing for all of you. So this is the muted. Watch us. I muted him. We're doing a duet, but I mute him. Sorry, Chef Harris, I feel so guilty. Please, now I will put you on singing with me. Hello, my friends. This is for you. just started to September, it's already Christmas here in the Philippines. But because of the pandemic, it has been 2 years, like the saddest Christmas to all of us. So this song from me and Chef Harris that we duet for the first time, like we collab online. He sent this to me. We singing this song to all of you from our heart. Like, this song like full of hope in a way. Like this song like you can describe this song in a way. Like you can translate this song in some other way. Like we're hoping this Christmas it will be better. Like we can be together with our family and friends and loved ones. It is hard, guys. So I hope you like this song. It's a Tagalog song, but I will put in the comments the translation of the song in English. I will Google them. So to all who are not Filipino, you will like at least understand the song all about. It's like sana ngayong Pasko. It's like I hope this Christmas would be better. Would be like we can be together with our family and loved ones and friends, or like even the situation will be better. Merry Christmas, everyone. I love you all. Merry Christmas, everyone. So this song is like all about Christmas, like sana ngayong Pasko is just like a full of hope this Christmas that it will be better for all of us, and then the pandemic will get over and we can be together with our family. It's just so sad, guys, like these 2 years of Christmas, like we've been dealing with so much suffering, so much pain, so much problem in our life, but we're still here, like me, I'm still singing, Chef Harris still singing for you guys, like this song, it's for all of you, like this song, it's something very like deep meaning that you can also like translate it in a different way, like you're hoping this Christmas would be better, like we can have a better like situation, it would get better, the pandemic will get over, we can be together with our family. It's just so sad. I don't want to cry, but it's like emotionally draining. Like kinda we all like get exhausted, like physically, emotionally, and mentally with this pandemic going on with our life for 2 years. Like, I've been scared, guys. Like, no one. There are nights that I'm having a hard time to breathe. Like I was thinking, I have it few times, but I already have a problem in my heart. I already have this before pandemic. I already have like difficulty of breathing. Maybe I get this from my dad who passed away during his sleep. Maybe he have heart attack or whatever. We don't have hospital in the province. But this pandemic, like you guys give me like hope and strength and inspired me somehow, even though we're all like locked down now. We don't like gather with people, friends, families. Like I've been hiding for so many months. Like I'm scared of people because in my situation, like I'm already having like heart problem, and then when I have those, it seems like my life will gonna be over. And I was so scared because there are nights that I'm having like hard time to breathe. But I just want to say thank you to all of you. Like you're there in my channel, like, give me genuine support. love and care, like you embraces me for who I am. Yes, I'm giving you like smile, laugh, because I believe it's the best medicine that we have it for now. Like, if we smile and we feel happy, somehow we heal. Like, I just want to say thank you to my little community family. Mom Diana Chavez, thank you so much for being there for me as like mom. Like Papsi Roger Campbell, thank you so much for being there for me and Chef Ares, together with Mom and Chef. My Kadiri, thank you so much for being there. You're like a family to me. You're there in my channel helping me everything, and we created this little community that we became a family. From Tita V, Ruby, and all the people like there in my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support in my channel. Like, you've been there for me all, and I just want to greet you a happy Christmas to all of you. We can do it. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for your love and support. And I'm also here for you. I'm supporting you also. Thank you for everything, guys. And if you like this video, you can click like, subscribe, and share. To those who are new to my channel, you can subscribe and click the bell notification. It matters to me when you're on the notification bell, because you will get updated with all my latest uploads. Thank you for everything, guys. I love you all so much. Bye. Thank you for everyone. Merry Christmas. Namamasko po ako ng aga sa inyo. Kami ni Chef Ares. This will be the first upload that I'm going to do this bare months, like starting in bare months. It's already Christmas in the Philippines. So this will be the very first upload that I'm uploading in my channel, and it is very special to me because it's so like, it's just so fitting to the situation. Thank you guys for your love and support. This is your witty Bonita, the funny girl.